All right, guys. So I have my AirPods here and I want to connect this to my Apple TV. And easy process here. I'm gonna walk you through how to do that right now. Now, sometimes when I'm walking by and I just have my AirPods, I get a prompt in the upper right hand screen that says, "Do you want to connect to these AirPods?" The answer is usually no, but there's an option. For some reason, it's not doing it right now. Now, to connect your AirPods, first we're going to open up our settings. And in settings, you might think that you would want to go to the video and audio section, but you actually want to go down here to remotes and devices. And inside of remotes and devices, you would scroll down to Bluetooth in the other devices category. And now you can see all of my devices here. And you can see that number 3 is not connected. Yes, I've had 3 pairs of AirPods. I don't know why I keep buying them. Now, since that's already added, I would just hit the connect and I would connect this device and put these into my ear. And you can see up here that they have been connected. Oops. Now, if your AirPods are not listed on this list, I'm going to forget this device, forget the device, put these back in the case. And I'm going to open this back up. On the back of the case, there's a button here. So we're just going to press and hold that until this starts blinking. Okay. And now you can see in the other devices category, AirPods number 3 has popped up. So I'll click that. And now the AirPods have been connected back to the Apple TV. So now whatever I watch on the Apple TV will come through this and not through the TV. So it's a great way to add some privacy if you're into some late night watching. Yeah, so that's the video today, guys. Hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.